What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Hey, let's sharpen this blade, you want to? This is a 30-inch blade off of a Troy belt, okay? See all the nips and the nicks and dings and the bullshit? Okay, little secret. See where all of the damage is, right? Okay, well, there ain't much damage here, you know why? Because I would say less than 10%, maybe even less than 5% of the cutting happens here. This is the mulching portion of it, right? So whatever gets cut off here, if anything contacts the blade right here, it's just loose clippings. So we're not gonna worry about sharpening this stuff right here. We're going to sharpen from this bend to the end, and I would say 15% of the cutting happens here. Generally, within the first inch of the blade or so is where all the magic happens. So we're gonna sharpen this blade. I'll set you up on time lapse. I'll bring you back. I do it in 2 steps when they're this bad. I do a grinding stone on a 4-inch grinder, and then I come back with a flat disc to give it a little smoother cut. One of the secrets is to not build up too much heat within this metal while you're sharpening it. So I'll set you guys up on time lapse, and then I'll bring you back when I'm done and we're balancing the blade. All right, let's see if we're balanced. Cut. Well, that's looking pretty dadgum good, right? I mean, I like it. See that sharp edge on there? You bet. You can still see some remnants of the neck. I mean, you don't have to get it all out. A sharp neck is a sharp neck. I mean, it's gonna cut. Nice sharp blade, balanced. There you go, done. Slap that bad boy back on. Yeah, some of that crap can matter, but as long as you don't clean it off this side and leave it on this side, don't worry about it. Leave the junk on there, just balance the blade, get it sharp. Like and subscribe. Thank you.